Welcome back to our channel, where we strive to empower individuals with diabetes to live their best lives. Today, we're focusing on an integral aspect of diabetes management: exercise. Regular exercise offers numerous benefits for individuals with diabetes. It can help improve blood sugar control, increase insulin sensitivity, manage weight, boost cardiovascular health, and enhance overall well-being. Let's dive into some essential tips to help you incorporate exercise into your diabetes management plan. Before starting any exercise program, it's important to consult your healthcare team to ensure it aligns with your specific needs and limitations. Once you have the green light, it's time to get moving. Aim for a combination of aerobic exercise, such as walking, swimming, or cycling, and strength training exercises using resistance bands, dumbbells, or body weight. Aerobic exercise helps improve heart health, while strength training builds muscle and aids in insulin sensitivity. Start with activities you enjoy and gradually increase your intensity and duration over time. Choose activities that are accessible and fit into your lifestyle. Remember, even small increments of physical activity can make a significant difference. Before exercising, always remember to warm up with some light cardio and perform stretches to prepare your muscles for the workout. Cooling down afterward with gentle stretches can help prevent injury and promote recovery. Proper nutrition is crucial when incorporating exercise into your diabetes management plan. Ensure you're fueling your body with a well-balanced diet, including carbohydrates for energy, lean proteins for muscle repair, and healthy fats for overall health. Hydration is also important, so remember to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your exercise sessions. Consistency is key. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week, or a combination of both. Find what works best for you and make it a habit. By incorporating exercise into your diabetes management plan, you're taking an active role in your health. Regular physical activity can make a noticeable difference in your overall well-being and blood sugar control. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Stay motivated, stay active, and take charge of your diabetes journey.